Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nikki. In today's video, I'm going to clean my back porch. It's looking a little worse for wear back here. This is where everybody comes in right when they come out of the garage and out of the elements. So it's dirty. Yeah, it's dirty. And I have to clean it. This is also where I come to read a book. It's my chill spot. I get the back porch because I'm the mom, not the kids or the partner. So anyway, I'm going to clean the back porch. I'm gonna clean everything. I don't even know how much clearer to make that. I'm gonna clean everything. Let's go. So here goes my back porch. It's an absolute wreck. There's stuff everywhere. It's just dirty. Yeah, it needs a little bit of help. So I'm gonna start off by taking some Target bags right back to my car. Keep it real moment. We barely ever use any of these shoes. I should honestly just put them in closets and give most of them away. And to clean everything, I'm using the Mrs. Byers Everyday Surface Clean in the geranium scent. This right here that I'm cleaning, this is an old window and it wasn't being utilized, so I had my dad build out some shelves in it, and now I keep all my little knickknacks on it and some books, some little love notes from my partner, and it's just super sweet now. And because this is a back porch, people in my house feel like they can keep dirty towels there. I don't know why, but I'm always the one that ends up cleaning it all, and it's just not fair. I'm giving the windows on both the doors and just the windows on the house a good clean. I don't think that I've ever done this since I moved here. Maybe once. Real life, it's a tragedy that I have not cleaned these windows. They were beyond filthy. And just like any porch, all the stuff ends up back here on its way out of the house right before it reaches the Salvation Army. So that was me just wrangling up that stuff, and now I am cleaning my little bookshelf. I actually got this from an old school and they were going to take it to a landfill, and I saved it, and now its permanent house is on my back porch. It's so cute. It houses all of my books from my childhood and also from now. Well, not all of them, maybe 80%. And I know Marie Kondo says that you should maybe own 30 books. Is that what she said, 30 books? Or was it 10 books? Anyway, I'm like, Marie Kondo, no, you are not going to talk me into getting rid of my books. They spark joy in my life. I'm keeping all the ones that make me happy. So fun fact about these Lemony Snicket books that are about to fall over, I actually got all those books when I was unemployed. I was a stay-at-home unemployed student for several years. Talk about difficult. But I found each one of those books at different thrift stores, and it was an obsessive need. There was an obsessive need to collect them all so that I could give them to my daughter. And now I've read them all to my daughter, and there's something that reminds me of my collegiate years and just the struggle, and yeah, they hold a lot of fond memories for me. So the Marvin the Martian that I just put on the Hunger Games book, that was from when I was in elementary school. I was obsessed with Marvin the Martian, and maybe like, I want to say like 5 have made it, but I had like 100. This is my daughter. She is so adorable. We are part of a blended family. She is my only biological kid, and she's my sweetheart. And most of the stuff on the shelf, most of the pictures on the shelf are of her because I'm obsessed with her because she's so cute. The books down here are from my childhood, a lot of them. I think I have like a ton of Ramona books. I have some Amelia Bedelia. My daughter Liv has some Judy Moody and some other kind of books, and then some random books. But the dopest book is this Harry Potter one that's pop-up maze balls. This little globe right here is from the 70s, I believe. It's from my mom's house. She gave it to me, and I love it. I remember staring at it when I was a little girl, and now it's on my little back porch. It's so cute. I say cute a lot. I should stop that, but things are so cute. My little girl is so cute in that pink picture. She was in preschool. Yeah, this is the little shelf. It's all done, it's all clean, and now I am moving on to vacuuming the floor. It was so dirty and gross. I think the last time I vacuumed and mopped back here was right before summer break, and that was several months ago, so that's kind of embarrassing. But yeah, you guys, I don't even want to show you under this rug. I had to do that off of camera because it was horrendous. So aside from the egg chair in my backyard, this is my favorite chair in the house, and I just cannot stand when my kids put their shoes on my chair. It drives me bananas. I want to scream, but I don't. I tell them nicely with a little vein like protruding out of my neck not to do that. And this is just some Murphy soap that I put in a recyclable little Mrs. Meyer's dish soap bottle, and I like to use this because it's 98% natural, and I just put it in this bottle along with a little bit of water, and I have an instant floor cleaner. I'm using what I already have, and it is great. And I always label the bottle so that my family knows only to use that for that purpose. So this is the last step. I am mopping up the back porch. It's so dirty, like I told you guys before. That mop pad came out black. I had to throw it right into the washing machine, and yeah, I'm super happy that I got this done. So here I am taking all the stuff that I've collected off the back porch into the garage to take to the Salvation Army, and I am finito. And the back porch is clean. It is so clean. I'm so glad this was accomplished. I have to go to work in another day and a half, and this was something that I wanted to accomplish before I went back to work. So it's so clean. It's so clean. All is well with the world. Thank you, Jesus. I do know that I need to declutter these shoes, get rid of what we don't use, and put everything else away. I get that. But aside from that, everything is in pretty perfect order for me. It makes me happy. It keeps me calm. And when my space is nice and clean, my soul feels so happy. And that's like legit the truth. And I am putting these blinds down halfway just for a little privacy, and because I feel like it makes the back porch look a little cozier. This is the end of my video. I thank you guys so much for hanging with me today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, maybe be notified when I have a video. You guys have a great week. You are blessed, so am I, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.